A lot of people are finding it hard to register on Payoneer recently. Anytime they try to register on the website, they encounter one problem or the other. Now, this video is being made to tackle these challenges and allow a lot of people who are wanting to create an account with Payoneer register successfully. Now, before we get started, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I talk about how you can actually earn money online, because I've been earning money online since 2020, and I believe that everybody can actually earn online. Now, with this being said, let us get back into the video. Before we get started, we must answer this question for people who don't actually know what Payoneer is all about. Now, I'm just going to write it into the screen right now. Now, we are going to ask that what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a platform that allows you to create a foreign bank account. This is for people that have online businesses or people that actually have online clients that pay money to them in hard currency. When we talk about hard currency, we talk about US dollars, we talk about euro, and we talk about pounds. Alright, so Payoneer allow you to create a US bank account, they allow you to create a euro bank account, and they allow you to create a pounds bank account from your home country. This means that if you are in Africa, for example, you can actually create a US bank account from Africa without ever being in the US. They are like the middleman. They will help you go to the bank in the US and help you create an account and give an account to you. So anytime people send you money into that account, you'll be able to withdraw it into your local bank. With this explanation, I hope you are able to understand what Payoneer is all about. Now, for the sake of this video, let us try to register an account. Please note that I already have an account with Payoneer, so I will not be creating an authentic account. But for the sake of this demonstration, I'll be creating an account with the first details. This means that this is not my name, this is not anybody's name. I just want to show you how you can register on Payoneer. But please, when you are doing this, make sure that you are using your valid information, because they are going to verify you, and if you give them a false information, you are going to be banned or blocked. Alright, so make sure you tender your valid information. Now let us get into the video. The first thing we are going to do right now is to click on get started. Please, I want you to pay maximum attention so that you'll be able to create your Payoneer account seamlessly. Alright, so you click on get started. When you click on get started, it will bring you here. Alright, so you have to pay attention to the screen. It says let's get you registered. Start by telling us what your business will use Payoneer for. Alright, to get paid, send payment, and more, get our full range of global payment services. To send payment only via card, pay via card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Now, because you want to use it to start receiving money, alright, so you will click this one to get paid, of course. So it will take you, let's wait for the network. So you are going to put your email address. Alright, so for the sake of privacy, I'm going to be pausing this video right now, and I will be coming back. Okay, so right now they ask us to say, is your business registered with any government or tax authority? Now you must take this question very important. Now, if your business is registered in your country, you have a registered business, click yes, I own or represent a registered business. Alright, this means that you'll be able to receive foreign currency through your business. But if you do not have a business, alright, a registered business, just choose no. But for the sake of this video, I will just click no. And then it says first name, so let's imagine that my name is Samson, and then my last name is Elizabeth. Alright, don't forget that this is just a demonstration. Alright, this is a demonstration. So yes, we are living in Nigeria. You can just choose your home country, whatever. Now you are going to input your phone number. Alright, so let me find a number and I'll get back to you to this video. Alright, so we have successfully created an account with Payoneer right now. Now we want to click on let's continue. Now I want you to pay attention, please, because if you miss any of this, you are going to miss it. Alright, it says which industry or trade best describe your business. So you want to click whatever that you are doing online. If you are into publishing, you choose something like that. If you are into agricultural service, let's say that you export agricultural produce out of your home country to China, to the US, to UK, you are going to pick that. So any business that you are into, if you are into freelancer, you are going to click that. Alright, so because I am into online stuff, I make videos online and all of that, so I am going to go to digital goods, right? This one, digital goods. So I'm going to choose that. Alright, so they say where will your payment come from? So you have to pay attention to this. Let's imagine that you are into importation. Your clients or your customers will send money directly to your bank account. You can use direct customers, sales directly from my website or physical store, or you can choose business or client or employer. This is, let's imagine that you are a remote worker, you work remotely, you want to click that. And if you are into something like eBay, something like Shopify, something like Amazon, something like anything e-commerce, you can just click marketplaces. So because of the sake of this video, I'm going to click marketplaces. So I'm just going to click next. Now you can select up to 5. You can select up to 5 which marketplaces. Now you are going to click up to 5. Let's imagine that it is Amazon. Let's imagine that you are the type that imports, that do many importation. You can click Alibaba. Let's imagine that you get paid via TikTok. This is ByteDance. ByteDance owns TikTok, right? So let's imagine that you are into Clickworker. Let's imagine that, okay, these are for people that are doing survey stuff. So eBay. So just have to, this is Fiverr if you are a freelancer. This is if you sell pictures online, this is free pick. And if you are a writer, this is good novel. And then you just choose that and then you click continue. For the sake of this video, I've chosen 4, so I'm just going to click on next. Alright, now it says around how many transactions do you usually make every month. So let us, for the sake of this video, we are going to choose 0 to 20. But if your business is new, you haven't received any transaction before, you can click none yet. This is a new business. For the sake of this video, let us go with none yet. This is a new business. So we click on next and it says thank you for telling us about your business activity. Next we ask for some documents and info about who will be using this account. Alright, so we click on continue. Okay, so let's see what, let's wait and see where we are headed. Alright, so it says you should provide your URL. That is, if you have a website for your business. Let us read what it said. It says enter the URL of your website or social media. So you can enter, if you have a Facebook profile, Facebook page, if you have a LinkedIn, anything. So, but because of the sake of this video, I'm just going to click my business is not online. So continue without URL. Alright, so where does the majority of your business activity take place? Alright, so if you are a person that your business activity take place in Africa, but you receive foreign currencies, but you want to receive foreign currencies from the US, you can pick Africa. you can pick Europe, you can pick any country. Alright, so let us, for the sake of this video, we are going to pick Africa. Alright, now it says verify your ID with a selfie. Now they will ask you for facial verification. You want to use a place that has good lighting. I will advise that you do this in the day. You go out and stay under the sun so that you can be able to capture your face with good lighting. Or if you have some good lighting in your house, let's say some LED lights, ring lights, umbrella lights, any kind of light at all, you can use that, turn it on and use it to verify. Now because I already have an account and I don't want to submit a non-valid information, I will not click on continue. Alright, so let me tell you what will happen after this place. After you verify your ID with a selfie, they will ask you to submit your bank statement for your account verification, for your address verification. Now that bank statement, you must make sure that address is visible in the bank statement. Alright, if you don't want to use your bank statement, you can use your utility bill, you can use other kind of address verification document that you have, something like your landlord's tenancy agreement. Alright, but sometimes they reject utility bill, sometimes they reject tenancy agreement, and mostly what they usually accept is bank statements. So go to your local bank and request for your bank statement. Let them know that your address being on the bank statement is very very important, because without that address they are not going to verify you. Alright, now after that you are going to snap your government ID. After you've done the facial verification, you will snap your government ID. That will be your NIN, or you use your voter's card, or you have your driver's license, or your international passport, and that will be all. After that, you'll be given a US bank account, you'll be given a pass bank account, and you'll be given a Euro bank account. If you like content like this, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Thank you for seeing this video, and I will see you in the next one.